The world is moving from intuition-driven to AI-assisted engineering. With intuition-based engineering, engineers conceptualize product designs and then use simulations to assess product performance. In AI-assisted engineering, machine learning models are used to inform the product concepts themselves. AI-assisted engineering has a unique potential to deliver new insights and help us explore more broadly across physics disciplines and design spaces which have historically been too computationally complex. AI models trained on discrete physics simulations have the potential to further advance the fields of hard sciences. For example, NVIDIA's Modulus helps us advance the development of new physics simulation techniques which would otherwise be computationally prohibitive. Finally, AI has the potential to significantly complement and enhance the scientist and engineer domain expert's ability to abstract away computational complexity and enable efficient design exploration to new solutions in magnitudes faster timescales. For example, the wing design of today's modern aircraft is based on the supercritical airfoil initially designed by NASA after decades of research and development involving manual calculations and wind tunnel testing. Today, using computational fluid dynamics combined with machine learning training on a broad range of design parameters, this wing design can be derived in just a single afternoon. Companies are already taking advantage of AI-assisted engineering techniques.